President Emerson Mnangagwa, the deputies, Konstantino Chiwenga and Kebo Mohadi, and senior officials in the office of the president and cabinet have showered First Lady Auxilia Mnangagwa with praise on her 62nd birthday, conveniently ignoring her unchecked abuse of public resources. Sanapenda mashoko obudanyo kopana bzinza aiwa Mnangagwa forces deputies to praise Auxilia Zisaza cooking project. Not subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tivina mzimu ai mamdanyo rachiti in a glowing statement. The OPC hailed Auxilia as a pillar of nation development and a champion of Zimbabwe's Vision 2030 agenda. Yet beneath the praise lies a troubling reality. She has hijacked state resources to fund lavish events and glorify herself under the guise of tourism promotion. Her latest obsession, cooking Sadc at high-profile events using government funds, activities disguised as cultural preservations while burning through state resources. She has become more visible than Mnangagwa's own deputies, securing elite privileges, including exclusive use of Zimbabwe House estate resident meant for Prime Minister. With a battalion of state security at a disposal and endless public appearance, Auxilia Mnangagwa's influence is expanding unchecked. Panapa, yes, they celebrated her birthday, but panapa wakachi complaina vakumbana vemzimu ayachiti aiwa people aiwa even though they celebrated that they are not seeing what is behind here. So they are funneling state funds. Aiwa, yes, to cook sadza, they are saying it is cultural preservations, but according to the economy no struggle aiwa, they are prioritizing aiwa kushandisa mari kune zvinhu aiwa zvisina kunyanya kukosha. Tudze mafungiro enyu motudi pamusoro pechituko ichi. Pane comment section medu, so subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.